Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cheryl's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share a totally dazzled glam tablescape video for you. I hope you enjoy. The company Totally Dazzled recently reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to do a review video on some of their products. They have so much bling, guys. I was in a bling girl's heaven. So I decided to pick out a few things, and I decided to use the tablescape as the setting to show those things to you. I started with a clean slate, and using my Kmart Australia glitter chargers, I added them to my table. I then added my gorgeous fake fur runner from Z Gallery that I purchased online last Christmas. I then kept it really simple and added some white plates that I picked up from the reject shop about a year ago. I also picked up 4 turquoise bowls as well as these white bowls with the little love hearts and added them to my plates. Once that was complete, guys, it was then time to totally dazzle my table. Guys, choosing from their website was so hard because my little glam heart just couldn't take it. There was so much bling for me to choose from, but I decided on these absolutely gorgeous napkin rings. They instantly stole my heart. They were shiny and bling and would make the perfect touch to my tablescape. I used my existing napkin collection. I had 4 polka dot and these beautiful blue ones from Kmart. Then taking my totally dazzled napkin rings, I added them to my napkin to give my table that glam touch. I then added my gold cutlery as well as these gorgeous brooches that was sent to me also from Totally Dazzled. I chose to add them just to the table runner here, guys, but I actually have a DIY video coming up very soon where I use these in another DIY, so stay tuned for that. To complete my table setting, I added some candles as well as my Eiffel Tower collection, and as the table centerpiece I added my DIOR DIY letters, and you can see I added the little brooches there as well. And guys, I'm totally in love with these napkin holders. There's so many on the website for you to choose from, guys. It really was a difficult decision, but how gorgeous and bling are these, and the little brooches. They have such a wide selection for you to choose from. Everything's really high quality, guys, for such a very, very low price. And I couldn't believe it. I only spoke to this lady last week and they turned up on my doorstep yesterday here in Australia. So very, very fast shipping. So don't forget, I'll leave a link to their website and YouTube channel down below. If you're into DIYs or you're into tablescapes and you just want to make everything with a little touch of bling, I do recommend this company, guys. Also, guys, if you'd like to make your very own DIY DIOR table centerpiece, I'll leave a link to that video down below so you can have a look. I was actually thinking, guys, this would actually look so good with the words Chanel as well. So you might want to put your thinking cap on there, and you could do the same format as I did with the DIOR letters, but change them to Chanel. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope I've inspired you in some small way to do your very own glam tablescape. Don't forget to check out totallydazzled.com. I'll leave a link to their website and YouTube channel down below. You'll be on there for at least an hour, guys, going through all their beautiful bling decor, and it is such at affordable prices. So definitely check them out. I'll leave it all down below. And until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.